Hey guys, this is Ricardo and welcome to another Block Tech Tips. Today I thought I'd try something different, and since it's a repair channel, I've shown you guys how to repair several gadgets. I thought I'd go into showing you some of my favorite repair tools, or in other words, tools that I use every day, and without them I would most repairs would be impossible. Alright, so I'm going to start from what I consider the most important, and then I'll work my way over. First of all, I have my Phillips head screwdriver here, as you can see. This is a Stanley. I've had this thing for years. It's my trusted screwdriver. It's my go-to screwdriver. I use this to open PCs and different gadgets, right? And it has never failed me. It is the most common size or screw type that I tend to find. So therefore, this is one of my handy and recommended tools that I suggest that if you're going to repair, you should have, or at least have around the house in case of an emergency, you need to repair something. All right. Now all of these tools will be listed down in the description where you can actually purchase them if you don't have your own, or I'll also put it on screen, so in the description or on screen. Alright guys, so I'm going to go into my other tool. Next I have this screwdriver set here. It's a 32 piece precision screwdriver set, and what I like about this screwdriver set, I have also had this for a good while too, is that it comes in this handy case. Alright, as you can see here, I can easily assemble it. All I have to do is just screw this section here, slide in the tip, and I can make it different sizes. For example, I could make it long, so for a greater reach, or I could make it shorter. Right? When I get the desired length, I simply do this. Right? So I can make it as long as this if I want, or shorter. If I forget this one, I can have this one. Right? So let's say, for example, I have a weird screw. I'll find most screw types here. As you can see, there are different type of X type screws that this can open. I have never found any device that this thing can't open, even with the weirdest screws. You have the regular type of screwdriver heads, right? And you have some very rare types like you're seeing down here. So all you have to do, for example, if say for example you need this weird type here, or the regular type, you just remove this and slide it into the tip up here. Alright, and in case this get loose, you can actually readjust it, so you might want to tighten this very tight so it holds. As you can see, it actually holds. Alright, so you can see you have this head here. Alright, so guys, I'm going to put this aside. So I suggest you get this one. If you don't get the regular screwdriver, at least get this one. This one's a Max Tech. I'll put a link to this along with the other tools down in the description as well. Alright, next I have this tweezer tool. Sometimes you're working in very tight spaces, something falls and you need to get to it. You can actually use the tweezer tool to get to it, or you need to disconnect a wire or something. You can actually use this and pinch it and actually move it. Alright, next on my list I have here my soldering iron. Just heat this up. Sometimes something break and you need a little bit of solder, and you can actually mend this back. So a soldering iron is a must. I'm gonna put this away as well. Last on my list I have my multimeter, or we call him a tester. Alright, so as you can see, this thing does a number of functions. It can test for voltage, it can test for continuity in wires and so on, and there's a number of cool tests. So I basically use this to perform various tests. Here are the two ends here, and I just remove the safety caps here and here, and I can actually do my testing for precision readings on certain electronics. All right, it's not hard to use. It comes with a manual and so on. Right. All right guys, so I won't go into detail about these. I just wanted to introduce you to my favorite tools. As you can see, I have several of them. So guys, if you're going into repair or just in case of emergency, make sure you have a few of these tools around the house. As I said, you can check out the link in the description to actually purchase your set of these. Above all, I recommend that you at least have something like this for quick repairs with a 32 precision screwdriver set. Alright guys, Ricardo from Block Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Please remember to like the video. Bye.